Congratulations, you made it into the private beta, and you're going to be one of those exclusive 100 people who get to participate in our closed beta test, get first access to Friender, be the first to access Friender, and get a huge, massive discount. So congratulations on that. But look, before you go, I want to offer you a very unique offer, a very special offer to join the Friender Partner Program. Now, I want to let you know that the Friender Partner Program is a very limited program. It's limited to 5 people. We've already got 4 of our partners, so we're really just actually looking for one more. And you may be wondering, well, why haven't you got that last partner yet? So I'm just going to tell you right up front, the Friender Partner Program is $1,000 a month. That's why, because that seems a little bit too expensive for a lot of people. So the Friender Partner Program is $1,000 a month. If that's outside of your budget, you probably just want to go ahead and skip this offer because it's not going to be useful to you because it is $1,000 a month. With that being said, I want to go through the Friender Partner Program and let you know exactly what's actually included in the Friender Partner Program. All right? So first off, you're going to get agency accounts on all of our Facebook organic marketing software that you can actually go out and sell to your customers, and you keep 100% of the revenue. So for example, Friend Connector Pro. All right, we sell this software for $157 a month. You can go sell this software to your customers, and they're actually going to pay you instead of paying me. So you can sell Friend Connector. Your customers are going to actually pay you instead of paying us. They pay you directly. You keep 100% of the revenue. All right, so I'm going to give you 365 accounts on Friend Connector Pro. That's $57,000 a month worth of software that I'm giving you right there in Friend Connector Pro. Meaning if you sell all 365 of your accounts for $157 a month, like we sell them for, you'd be making $57,000 a month. All right, I'm sure you can agree that you would happily trade $1,000 a month for $57,000 a month. All right, so I'm going to show you everything that you get here, and then I'm going to go through and show you a revenue breakdown and show you how easy it's going to be for you to actually make your money back, where it's not actually costing you any money at all. It's not costing you $1,000 a month. It's not only free for you, but you're getting paid to be a Friender partner. All right, so you're going to get 365 agency accounts on Friend Connector Pro. That sells for $157 a month. $57,000 a month worth of software. Genius Messenger CRM, you're also going to get 365 agency accounts on that. That sells for $47 a month. That's $17,000 a month worth of software. Group Monkey, you're going to get 365 agency accounts on Group Monkey. This sells for $97 a month. That's $35,000 a month worth of software. Meth and Evan, you're going to get 365 agency accounts on that. That also sells for $97 a month. It's another $35,000 worth of software. Post Profits, I'm going to give you unlimited accounts on this. There's no limit. You can put in as many people as you want. There's no limit on that. You'll get unlimited accounts on Post Profits. That sells for $97 a month. It's an infinite amount of value because you have unlimited accounts. All right. Friend Disconnector, I'm giving you unlimited accounts on this. That sells for $50 a month. The software I'm giving you unlimited accounts for, it's meant to be front-end it's meant to be a lead magnet and then front-end customer acquisition products, so you can have low-ticket offers and then you can upsell them. For example, if you give away Friend Disconnector for free and then you sell Post Profits for, let's say, $17, you have a lead magnet, you have a low-ticket customer acquisition product to get someone to actually go ahead and buy something, then you can upsell them Friend Connector, then you can upsell them Genius Messenger CRM. All right. Mad Adder, you're going to get unlimited accounts on this. This sells for $10 a month. Perfect lead magnet for you. Post Scheduler, you're going to get 365 accounts on that. That sells for $97 a month. That's another $35,000 a month worth of value that I'm giving you. Groove Flu, that sells for $10 a month. Another great lead magnet for you. Giving you unlimited accounts on that. Post Filter also sells for $10 a month. I'm giving you unlimited accounts on that. Another great lead magnet for you. Winner Winner Chicken Dinner, that I'm giving you unlimited accounts. It also sells for $10 a month. Another great lead magnet for you. Just Invite, I'm giving you unlimited accounts on Just Invite. That also sells for $10 a month. Another great lead magnet for you. Engagement Monster, I'm giving you unlimited accounts on that. That also sells for $27 a month. Another great lead magnet. Birthday Wisher, that sells for $47 a month. I'm giving you unlimited accounts on that. All right. Now there's also more that you're going to get in the Friend there's also more that you're going to get in the friend or partner program, which is why I'm sure you can see, okay, there is a lot of value that I'm giving you here. I'm sure you can agree. Let me just kind of get off the screen a little bit. I'm sure you can agree. You can look and see with just the agency accounts that I'm giving you, with just these agency accounts, if you were to actually bundle all this software up together and sell it for, let's just say, $47 a month, all right? So basically, you sell for the same price we sell Genius Messenger CRM for, and you also give them, as a bonus for buying, you give them the rest of the software. So you're basically giving them over $300 a month worth of software for $47 a month. I've given you enough in your agency accounts for you to make $17K a month. Would you trade me $1,000 for $17,000? Probably would, right? If not, you're fucking crazy. So if you wouldn't do that, you're fucking crazy. But I'm sure you would. I'm sure if I said, hey, give me $1,000, I'll give you $17,000, I'm sure you make that trade all day, every day, and that's literally what I'm doing here, all right? But you can see if you sell each software individually for the same price that we sell it for, the same price our customers pay us, there's a lot more revenue that you can actually make, all right? So I'm going to hop over here and just basically show you some of the revenue potential over here, all right? So you can see here on these core software products, so these are your lead magnets. These are your lead magnets and your front-end products, all right? You can see the retail value of your agency accounts over here. It's actually a lot more retail value. This is just based on 365, but I'm actually giving you unlimited on all these, all right? Now here you can see on Friend Connector, you can see on Post Scheduler, Meth and Evan, what your revenue potential is if you sell all your accounts. At the price that we actually sell them for. But we're going to jump over here real quick. I'm giving you 365 accounts for $1,000 a month. That means if you put all of those softwares in a bundle together, all right, that bundle costs you $2.74 a month if you put them all in a bundle, all right? So if you were to actually sell 100% of your actual accounts, you can see here, you can see right here, if you were to sell if you were to sell all of your accounts at the same price it cost you, you make no money. If you were to sell them just for $7, you would essentially make $1,500 a month in profit. If you sold them for $25, you would make $8K a month in profit. If you sell them for $47, you would make $16,000 in profit. If you sold them for $97, you would make $94,000 a month. That's $412,000 a year in profit you would actually be making if you sold all 365% of your accounts, all right? What I like to do is I like to have you break even first. So I like to get you to actually break even first. The first thing that you do is actually break even, all right? Hey, doesn't want to connect my internet for some reason. Why don't you want to connect? Oh, well, my internet don't want to connect right now. Why does my internet not want to connect? Well, I don't know. My internet doesn't want to connect. My internet's not connecting for some reason over here. So since my internet's not connecting, I'm not going to show you the rest of this. All right. But basically, usually what I show you and what I would show you if my internet would connect is we would just actually change this down to like 10% or something and come up with a price for you to break even as soon as possible. But we can just do it in our brains. You could sell 10 bundles and tell people, hey, I'm going to give you everything. I sell Friend Connector for $157 a month. You could sell it for $100 a month, give them all the other software that we've included, and sell it to 10 people for $100 a month. You're breaking even. This doesn't cost you anything. You have 355 agency accounts left that you can sell and make profit from. All right? So in just the agency accounts here, I've given you enough stuff for you to make $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month, $17,000 a month, $20,000, $30,000 a month if you go out and actually sell what we give you to actually sell. We sell this software all day, every day for the prices that I've told you that it actually sells for. So I know that you are able to actually sell it too if you go out and obviously market it and sell it. All right? So that's that. You're going to get all these agency accounts on all these softwares that you can actually use to sell to your customers and keep 100% of the revenue. All right. Now, all of this software is actually going inside Friender. So you could sell Friend Connector Pro and you get paid directly on that. But what happens if your Friend Connector user wants to actually buy Friender, because Friender just ends up being a much better software? Well, in that instance, here's the very valuable thing about the partner program. So as a Friender partner, you can also promote Friender as an affiliate, and we're going to give you 90% commissions on the front end, all right, on your direct sales. So I'm going to give you 90% commission, almost 100. You're going to get 90% commission on your direct sales. Those are sales that you make. Whenever somebody signs up because you share your link with them, we're going to give you 90% commission on your direct sales, and we're going to give you 40% commission on your tier 2 sales. So those are sales your customers make. If you sell to somebody, you get 90% of that. If that person then signs up to become an affiliate of Friender and they go promote Friender and they make sales, you're going to make 40% commission on everything, on all the sales that your customers make. All right. So I'm giving you enough stuff in the partner program where you can go start selling stuff today. You can go start making money today. We've got 4 partners in this program already. Every one of them is already actually profitable from selling this software right here. All 4 of our partners are already profitable from selling the assets that we give you that you can go sell right now. And then, you can promote this actual pre-sale offer. We have partners that are actually promoting this offer that you actually just signed up for, and they're keeping 90%. Some of you guys may have actually bought. You may have bought because one of our partners told you, hey, go sign up for Friender. They get 90% of your sale. And if you sign up to become an affiliate, any sale that you make, they get 40% of that sale. That could be you if you join the Friender Partner Program. All right? So you're going to get access to our software QB. This is where you'll actually manage all your agency accounts for Friend Connector, Genius Messenger, Post Scheduler, etc., etc. There's training in here. Super easy. I'm there to actually help and support you. So I'm also there to help and support you. And then let's see, I wanted to see. No internet, connected, secure. All right. So let's look at our commission structure. You're over here on this partner. You're over here on this partner plan. You get 90% on your direct sales, 40% on your tier 2 sales. And you can see over here, these are the different prices that we have for Friender. $127 a month for the starter account, $197 for the basic, $297 for the pro, $497 for the elite plan. All right. So you can see over here, here's your commission structure. On the top is if you make the sale, the bottom is if one of your customers make the sale. So if you sell our basic account that's $127, you get paid $114 a month from that. If your customer sells that and you didn't do anything, your customer made the sale, you get $50 a month from that. If they upgrade to this plan right here, our basic plan that's $197 a month, you get $177 a month from that. If one of your customers makes that sale, you get $78 a month from that. If they upgrade to our pro account that's $297 a month, you get $267 a month of that. If your customer makes that sale, you get $118 a month from that. And if they upgrade to our elite, our best package, if they upgrade to our elite, it's $497 a month. You get $447 a month from that. If your customer makes that sale, you get $198 a month as a Friender partner. All right? So I hope that makes sense. I hope you can see the value in the Friender partner program. You're going to get all these agency accounts that you can start selling today. You can also start selling Friender today. All right? Both of them you can actually sell today, and you can start making money today. All right? So that is the Friender partnership. Hope that made sense to you. It is very limited. Like I said, at this point, we only have one partner spot left. It's not for everybody. I understand $1,000 a month to a lot of people is a big cost. And if you buy things based on cost, then it definitely isn't for you. But if you buy things based on value and you buy things based on the ROI and the return on investment, then this is definitely for you because there is a huge potential return on your investment. All right, you can go out and start selling stuff immediately. For all of this software, you keep 100% of that revenue. It's paid directly to you. On the Friender sales, that's an affiliate program that you get paid 90% commissions on. All right, so we make it really easy where somebody can come buy Friend Connector Pro from you, and they pay you directly. You keep 100% of that revenue. And if they then decide, yo, hey, I think I want to buy Friender because it seems like it's going to be even better software, you get 90% of that sale. It's unheard of. It's really, really unheard of. So that's the offer. That's the Friender Partner Program. If you think it's for you, click the button below. If you don't think it's for you and you're like, nah, I hate money, then just click this no thanks. All right? That's it.